Wide Open Outdoor Adventures with your host, Dave Altiera. We'll make you a better sportsman.
Subscribe to the Wide Open Sportsman YouTube channel today. All right, sportsmen, race fans, Dave Altiera here with Wide Open Outdoor Adventures. Tomorrow morning, I'm going to be bow hunting the Rio Grande turkey. I've got some video here. I want to activate it. I like to watch the toms come into the call, come into the decoys in advance, kind of see and simulate what might happen in the morning. Rio Grande turkey are some of the smartest birds in the world. They have a hierarchy, so they have toms, hens, and jakes, and they basically have a communication effort. So they have scouts, and they communicate with each other with putts, purrs, and clucks, and the yelp and the gobble. So there's this language thing going on. But in the morning, I'll be all blacked out in the back of the blind. And what I'm going to do in the dark is begin my yelps. So I'm going to simulate that I'm a hen and I've flown down already. And then I'm going to hopefully draw in some big toms to the decoy and bam! Shoot them with a bow. So Wide Open Outdoor Adventures is going to be turned up to the next level next. Don't go anywhere. We've got hens coming down from the tree kind of late in the morning, but they're flying down to the ground. Will there be a big tom behind them? Time will tell. Big mature Rio Grande tom. Following those hens. Very predictable this time of year. It's early in the season.
Well, timing is everything spring turkey hunting, and this is a perfect example. Mating season is just underway, and these hens aren't sitting on eggs yet, so these big toms have plenty of girls to choose from right now. But as they say, patience is a virtue.
That big Rio Grande tom is not coming down the road. He's filtering into the brush. I gotta keep an eye on him. He's just like the rest of us. He's following the girls. I tell you what, man, this morning hunt started hot. We were about 20 yards from where they were roosting in trees. They were calling back to my yelp of a horny hen in the breeding season. Unfortunately, they filtered around us. I think by coincidence. I don't think that they saw the pop-up blind. But now we're going to have to just kind of wait them out and see if we can call them to the area, because they already rotated around and went down from the roost. We got turkey coming in behind us. Got him! Got him. That Jake came up to the hen decoy, came around the back of the pop-up line. That was awesome. The adrenaline's pumping. It got colder and colder, so I had to put on my mossy oak, blacken the back of the blind. I got that Jake. I think there was others coming. I didn't know for sure, but there were. But then ultimately, I just made the shot. He's right there. He's looking him over. He's looking over Henrietta. That was cool. Let's go check him out. Man, it got windy. The hen decoy drew in this young tom. They call him Jakes, and he's got a little beard. He's got a little beard right here. A tom could have a 6, 7, 8-inch beard, but this got a little beard. And let's check out the spurs. Dude, bearded hen. There's no spurs on her legs. So this is a female bearded hen. Awesome, man. Pretty rare. Pretty rare. I thought for a second, why is this turkey, this Jake, so small? But look at the wingspan on this beautiful bearded hen that we got on the wide open. Oh, the hen decoy did the magic. And the Matthews Triax really put it on him. But look at this wingspan. Beautiful bearded hen on wide open. I kind of thought, why does this animal have such a small size? And sure enough, bearded hen still does have a fan, But look how small this fan is. It's definitely not the size you'd think even on a jake, but a beautiful, beautiful bird. Kind of a specimen, you know, worth mounting actually, because they're rare. Some people will never see a bearded hen in their life. In this case, we got one on the wide open. Let me get the turkey fan kind of where I like to display them. Look at that bearded hen on wide open. Man, I tell you what, that was a real surprise. Special thanks to Fred at the bow shop. And don't forget, this Matthews Triax bow got it done on the bearded hen with the pop-up blind. Spring turkey season is just beginning, and this bow is compact. It's called a Triax. It's very powerful. It's got complete ability to get in tight places. So it's very, very mobile, very portable. My other bows have been a lot bigger. They kind of look cooler. This almost looks like a children's bow or lady's bow, but don't even for a second think that. This son of a gun is super powerful with these big cams on it, and the arms on it are specialized. Everything on this thing is tricked out. I got special sights. I got a special stabilizer. I got a special rest. The quiver for the arrows. Everything is kind of camoed out, so I can get into the woods and make it happen on wide open. And don't forget my release. It's a Scott release. I think the best in the industry. I can put it on my string, I can get into zone, I can do the drawback, and bam, pull the trigger. Tell you what, this was an awesome hunt. I'll see you next week, because next week we're going for the big strutting toms, wide open style. Hopefully the hens will be incubating eggs and they'll be ready to meet Henrietta. Bearded hen, wide open. I'll see you next week. Special thanks to my friends Ralph and Mary Edwards. Special thanks to our amazing sponsors. We couldn't do what we do without them. Visit wideopensportsman.com every day for your daily fix of adrenaline. Just get out there. You know, it's always wide open.